Greenleaf at saka yung Summit Hotel sa Robinsons. So we're still along the National Highway. This is the traffic intersection of Leon Liedo. On the right side natin yung CD Legion, yung car shop. So if you see on the right side yung Burger King, on the left side yung tall building na yan, no? One of the tallest buildings here in the city is the St. Elizabeth Hospital, now owned by yung group ng Metro Pacific. So we are going to Wilcon Hardware sa other side ng National Highway. So this is really yung rush hour ng Jensen. Ito yung traffic, no, ng city, yung volume ng mga sakyan. So the problem dito, you have a lot of mga colorum tricycles here. Resto na tayo dito sa kabilang side. Yan, Burger King straight ahead, andyan yung Chowking, McDonald's, another traffic light. So left side here is the St. Elizabeth Hospital. Makita mo yung other side also, yung Jollibee, Metro Hotel, no? Bagong hotel on the left side. On the right side dito, just right side talaga yung Microtel hotel ng city. So we are driving right into yung rush hour ng Jensen. We just replace yung CD card natin, no, ng high capacity kasi automatic na binubura niya yung record niya na yung 64 lang kasi yung capacity. Ngayon is 128. Tingnan natin. Okay. So right side is the doctor's hospital. We just pass on the left side yung